Day 11. If you're given darkness, you'll also be gifted with stars. About patience. Dear stranger, I hear the impatient tapping of your foot or hand against any surface that you find. I sense the frustrated torment of your thoughts as you try your best to calm yourself. I know that life has been tough and that every hurdle in your path has seemed almost impossible to overcome. But keep on being patient. Your time to shine is on its way. It will require perseverance and, on some days, sheer stubbornness and determination. But you will get there, whatever that is for you. One day, you will stop and realize that after trying your every best to be patient for so long, you're exactly where you want to be. If it's a job, your perseverance through the training and interviews, and your commitment to furthering your knowledge and skills will and come to achieve in that dream. If it's a family, your patience while building and nurturing it will bring you a peaceful and love filled future. If it's overcoming a setback that has been troubling you for a while, like an illness or a bad time, your patience and perseverance in the process of healing will be your life raft through the murky waters of bad health or negative experience. I know that you got it in you. I have been seeing you bathing your impatience and getting frustrated when life throws you one curveball after another. I know what that fight feels like. I know you feel like giving up on some days, and that sometimes it feels like too much to keep fighting. But I know you can. Keep going, preserve through the murky waters of life, swim against the rapid tide. Do your best to drive under the biggest waves. I use all the energy in your arms to swim fast and hard against the current. I promise your determination to get to the other side will be worth it. When you feel weary, it's okay to tread water for a while. But make sure you keep fighting when you most need to. Navigate through stormy seas, and soon enough you will find your own version of a calm, sunny day. You might be exhausted when you get there, but I am certain you will feel that all the hard work and determination was worth it in the end. Like the sensation of coming to the surface after swimming underwater for a long time, when you can finally take deep breath of air into your lungs again. That is worth all the patience, I promise you. No matter how often life gets the upper hand, the sheer will to work towards your goal and overcome your hurdles will be your biggest strength. You have more willpower than you realize, and you feel like you don't reach out to someone close to you. We have all experienced setbacks, and we have had all to put in work to get what we wanted in life. It takes work to get better, even from an illness, whether it be physical or mental. Whatever it is, if you need support, I am here for you. I am here to listen when you need your worries to be heard. I am here when you need a shoulder to cry on. I am here to be heard. I am here when you feel weak, as if your all resources are drained. I will provide you with the encouragement you need to regain the moment, and I will see your potential and your true goal. You have me by your side to lighten you through the load of life's wrong path. Reach out and ask for support if you need it. We are all fighting the battle of life. We cannot do it alone and find happiness at the same time. The love of others will help you to find love for yourself. Give and receive love as much as you can, and you will find the inner strength to master patience and develop your perseverance. You are not alone in this struggle. We are all struggling to manage amidst life's worst situations. Don't rush yourself. Don't rush through the life. While you learn how to be patient, you may also learn how to enjoy each moment for what it is. We must embrace our environment and make the most of what we have. And this will enhance a balance to need to remain stagnant in life. I know you have the capacity to love everything around you. I also know that you have the capability to achieve your dreams if you put your mind to it. The home you have always dreamed of is within your grasp. The family you have had hoped for is right around the corner. The career you have always imagined to is just ahead. The lifestyle and friends you have always longed for will come to you. You will have it all if you are patient and work hard to surmount the barriers separating you from your goals. Nothing comes easy in life, but then nothing worthwhile ever does. Keep fighting, and you will find that your willpower is the rocket fuel that will take you anywhere you want to go. Do one small thing every day towards moving further, to embrace your life and discover your inner strength. One small step every day will aid you in finding your potential and motivate you to reach out further towards your dreams. Everything is within reach if you just try for it. In the meantime, patience, my friend. Your time will come and life will seem brighter. Sending you all my patience.